Hey everybody, I want to go over the 9:30 to 10 a.m. New York opening range. I have it highlighted right here in the dark gray area, and it is May 23rd. And then we have high impact news that I have right here with this red vertical line showing you where the news is. These purple lines are new week opening gap lines. This dark black dashed line is the 8:30 opening price. So what I want to do is I want to go over my rules, and so I trade the 2022 ICT mentorship model. So I'm looking for a higher time frame liquidity to be taken. I need a higher swing high or swing low to be broken for market structure shift. Looking for displacement that formed a fair value gap or a PD array entry, like a breaker block, mitigation block, order block. Entry parameters, I'm looking for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio and a minimum of at least 5 handles. Stop placement below the first candle of the fair value gap or above below the breaker block, mitigation block, or order block. I can move the stop to break even and take partials once price reaches the target of 60%. What we did first is we took out a short-term low. You also have another short-term low broken here, another liquidity taken, check. Okay, so then price trades up and through these 3 new week opening gaps and closes above them. So now we have a market structure shift right here. It's kind of relatively equal highs right there, so just put the line out further so you can see it. And then we have, do you have any displacement? Yes, you have displacement right here, fair value gap. Where would you get in? You would get in right here. Your price would go, your stop would go below the first candle, which is all my rules. Below the first candle, so it goes right here. Go to 2 to 1. 2 to 1 is actually right here. Targeting these highs right here. Okay? So there is your first trade. Okay, so that was a winner. Alright, so I put the thing up here. Total trades, that's 1 winner. No losers, we got 2R, okay? Let me show you where a potential second entry was, okay? So let me hide this one, and let me hide the fair value gap here to show you something. I'm going to move this high candle just over just so you can see this long wick, okay? Now, yes, it goes into this fair value gap. That's not where I'm looking at, okay? I want to show you a propulsion block, okay? Right here. Okay, with a fair value gap. You can use that fair value gap there, but you can also use one right here. Right here. Fair value gap there as well. But the propulsion block, how they work. This candle right here is your order block. Let me throw this on here. Okay, that's an order block. Okay, and a propulsion block is another order block that trades into the previous order block. And as price leaves it, it comes back and it just shoots it skyrocket. It just propels price. It's a propulsion block. Price comes in, trades into it, and it just shoots higher. This candle right here is a propulsion block. It traded into this order block. Doesn't cross the mean threshold. Price doesn't come in here past the mean threshold. It just shoots price, skyrockets, and you get your price. So where would you trade? Where was your trade? Right there on the propulsion block. Right there. There's your trade set up. Still another 2R trade. Let's move this up to here, right here. So there's your second trade. So now you have 2 trades, 2 winners, a 4R. You could have got in here, and then you could have doubled down and got in a second entry there and taken it with the same target, and it just shoots skyrockets. There's your opening range trades. 2 setups, 2 different ways of entering. That's your New York Open on May 23rd.